Morning guys, October 6, 2023. This one here I gotta go change a toilet for a lady. And she'd call me there to swap it out. I guess that she got a toilet. Yeah, I'll put it in for her, but she's gonna get rid of the old toilet. I'm not getting rid of the old toilet. Usually I like to supply the toilet, and problem is people buy stuff and then it's the wrong shit, and then you gotta go back, and so it's I work for this old guy that's kind of like disabled now, and I guess this is one of his healthcare ladies. She talks a little funky. She's got an accent from somewhere. With an ongoing issue here, trying to get over there. I called her last Friday. She was supposed to be home, never picked up the phone, and calls me later in the day. Where are you? I've been waiting for you all day. It's like, I call in the morning, or I call when I got time. If you don't pick up, I don't go. That's just how I am. They can't pick up the phone. Obviously, they're not there. They're at McDonald's or at Burger King or out for breakfast or sleeping. So I always call before I go anywhere. If they don't pick up, they're shit out of luck. That's been my theory. It's how I operate my business, and I'm not going to change for nobody. But she picked up today, so we're going to go by there and probably swap the toilet out. The toilet she's got's compatible with, you know, what she's got there. I'll try changing it for her. And I'll leave the old toilet in the box for her. She can get rid of it. Yeah, it's just the flapper. I mean, if I could fix it easy enough, there's nothing wrong with this toilet. It's not leaking or nothing as far as...
No, only the water here go. So we need to close the water when we go out the home.
Yeah, let me see what the problem is, all right? Let me see if I might be able to just fix it. It's probably this one right here. There's different sizes. There's 2 1/4 and 3 inch on those flappers. You could probably just change that. I mean, there's no need to change the whole toilet. These people, they get a little wacky with their thinking, you know. I don't really know what size that one is. It's a blue one. They get a little wacky with their thinking, and they start buying shit. There's another one down here. They don't need it. Flipping. Listen to me. I can be able to just put a flapper in there and save them some money. There you go. What size is this one? A brand new one. That's a 2 1/2 to 2 5/8. That might work. I think I got a 3 inch one in here somewhere. Yeah, I think this is the 3 inch one. Let's try that out. It looks like it might be a big one in there. There's a 3 inch one. Here's a size 3 inch. Here's the big one. See how this is a bigger one? That's 3 inch. This is 2 5/8. I got them both. Screw. Yeah, look at it. It's all flipping. Look at a big dent in it. That's our problem. While I'm down there, I'll clean up that face of that. Oh, look at the black shit coming off my hands. Look at the black shit. Get a piece of sandpaper. Just clean the corrosion off. Get a piece of sandpaper and just clean it. Sometimes it gets a little corroded. it gets a little, sometimes it gets a little bit of rubber on there. I think I can go with the 2 1/4 one. Let's see. Yeah, it's just the gasket that's bad. Take a look. Pick that up and see how mucky it is. Your hands are gonna get black. See how it's got a dent in it?
Yes, sir, you're right.
And
But
see how it's just falling apart in my hands?
Yes, sir.
That's all. That most likely, I could just change the part and then you're good for. Let me try it. I mean, at least try it. Yeah, see, that fits in there. That fits in there nice. I'm not one to sell you something you don't need.
Yeah. You know,
Is that why Stanley told you to call me? Yeah, I feel bad for him. He's getting old.
yes, sir. Mr. Light, I have,
Let's try this first. And then if this don't work, then we can change the toilet. Okay?
because this toilet is around 4 years, you know?
Huh?
This toilet is around 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah, 4 years.
Yeah.
The poor proprietary this house, George, was a fireman. He do nothing for the house after.
This is not a bad toilet, actually, to be honest with you.
No, but you know, we don't, and it's the same as this. We don't found the
part, yeah.
the part anymore to change it.
Is this leaking? No?
Yes, sir, so much.
Yeah, I might be able to put washers in. If we can't, then we'll change it. To change this, we're going to change the whole sink.
Yes, sir, because I have in garage.
Okay, you do have a sink in the garage.
Yeah, I have sink in the garage. We have around 2 years, 3, we have sink and toilet, and that is...
So that seems to be working there. Let's see if it seals it.
Now Mr. Wesley, and now he have a breathing problem, you know?
Yeah.
And that's
all it was a flapper. Let's see how it flushes. This is actually not a bad toilet.
No, but the trouble is...
Well, hang on a minute. Let's make sure it flushes and everything. Yeah, and it's blue, it matches everything else.
And this toilet here is broken. When we got to this house, the toilet every moment can...
Yeah, but you're not a fat woman.
No, and my husband too, the same. It's not.
Yeah. I don't know about that. That ain't gonna fall off. That ain't gonna fall apart anytime soon. It's been like that for how long?
Huh?
How long's it been like that for? The crack.
Yeah, around 40 years.
Yeah, 40 years. I mean, I don't worry about it. It ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, and we don't found...
Yeah, see, this thing is fine. It just needed a flapper. I mean, I'll do what you want. If you want to change it,
I want to change.
You want to change it?
I want to change. I show you the...
You want to change it? Nothing. I fixed it. I fixed it with the flapper. If you want to change it, you want to leave it.
I change.
You want to change?
I take out.
You want to change it?
Yes, I prefer the new one.
You prefer? Okay, we'll change it then. I thought you just wanted to fix it. All right, where's the sink that you're talking about?
Yes, sir, I show you. Come with me, please.
We'll see what we got.
Because it's in the garage, I show you.
We got.
And I can show you this. Yeah,
All right. That's my stuff, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay, It's correct.
No, that's mine. Don't throw it out.
No, I don't pour out. I want to open the water, the light, to show you how this is.
Go ahead.
Look. Did you see? And that is very hard.
It's leaking there.
Yes.
All right.
So, oops. It's very hard, you know?
Oh, you gotta shut this one off too. Shut this one off and then that one will shut off. That's all it is. I might be able to fix that too. You want me to try to fix it, yes or no?
No.
You don't want it? All right, you want a new one. Let's see what you got.
I show you.
I mean, how many people that come across like you? Most people want to fix things. You want to just change it.
Yeah, I
So we change it. I mean, what do I care?
I want the plates.
It's fine with me.
Yes, for sure.
Let's take a look. What are you growing in there? Squash? You got gardens all done with the garden?
Yeah, we don't...
All right, let's see.
I take it. This is the sink. This is the sink.
Whoa. That's
This
the
is the
sink.
This is the sink.
What
Yes.
the hell?
That is the sink.
Where's the toilet?
Is here. I am going to show you in a minute. Look, this is the toilet.
Yeah, where's the tank? You got the tank up top there. Where's the tank?
What do you mean tank?
That's the bowl. Where's the tank? You need the tank to go with it. Oh, it's over there. All right, all right, all right, all right. Don't break it.
No. I do.
Don't break it.
I do my very best to show you. Did you
Okay,
see? This
that's
is
it.
toilet in the water.
All right.
I'll show you. I'll take this out.
We're gonna look at this sink here you got. All right, we're gonna see if we can do it. I mean, can I tell you? All right, don't break it, please.
No.
Where's the cover?
Did you see? Is
Yeah,
this?
where's the cover?
Is this one? And this one?
Where's the cover?
What is the cover?
The cover goes on the toilet. You're missing the cover for the toilet.
Wait.
There's a lid that goes on a tank there. You're missing the lid.
I show you, and if it's not.
Unless it's here. Okay, it must be here. It's here. It's here. It is. Here it is.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna put that toilet in there. All right.
Did you see?
All right, that's the seat.
That is this.
Okay, let's do the toilet first.
Yes.